kanonzani kampana kana katingira mota nakatingira jeli kanemba
wakawanda
pane kamwe baby rakorarorwa
Enzo
yeah.
Muri Zimbabwe ndaenda kubatira vhidhiyo raseWicknell Chivhayo vachitsanangura pamusoro pekutengeswa kwemotokari iyo yawakapa Enzo Ishal. Ndokumbura mundudza zvamunofunga mucomment section kuti Enzo Ishal ari wrong here kana kuti ari right pamusoro pekutengesa motokari asina kuzivisa seWicknell Chivhayo.
Kanonzani kampana kana katingira mota nakatingira jeli kanemba
wakawanda
pane kamwe baby rakorarorwa
Enzo
yeah. So he comes to a show and he's driving some, maybe Honda Fit or some old C-Class 2003. So, you already see that nobody's going to negotiate a deal, but kana Jah Prayzah, chimuchaja 20,000, watofonera kenandira asha we are full for the next 3 months, tinombeta zvekuseka.
Yes.
Sama levels, akwira. So that was my reasoning. But I mean, now it's sad because people are calling me, you're buying too many people cars. As soon as you buy them cars, they go and sell them at half the price. One car dealer came and said, look,
mota
Enzo is selling me the car you bought him. He wants 60,000. Then I said, that car had 7,000 on the clock, and Victor sold it to me for 130,000. So yeah, he says 60. Then the guy was asking, Enzo, why are you selling? He says, I don't need it. It's just too expensive to maintain, and besides, I got it for free. I need the money. He says 60. I says, come get. Says, so I'm buying it. I said, I just came to ask you, just in case, because if you hear that I'm the one who bought the car, I don't have a problem with you. And I said, no. If he's selling it, it's okay. But
okay. So what do you think? People you bless, right, are people who have nowhere to stay.
Yes.
So you'll give some.
I'll give you a good example. Jah Prayzah. I bought him an S-Class. That was the first car I bought him, I think. An S-Class. S500. I paid 180,000. It was a very nice car. Victor. Brand new. Then he drove it for 2-3 months. Then he was calling, Mkoma. Dakuya uzogona. Jaudi. Mkoma can the 2 minutes chat of your time. Because I'm gonna tinchaga next week. This week in the pressure. Then he came to the office. Said, Mkoma, you've been an amazing elder brother to me. I would never want to make a mistake. I would never want to let you down.
Okay.
So, here's my situation. At my office, my studio, I've been renting. So I got another place that they're selling for 400,000. I've been saving money to try and buy somewhere that I can, renovate and make,
make it
proper
my own
studio.
place.
My own place. Mm-hmm. I'm tired of renting. So the seller of this place says, no, I like the car you're driving. That's my dream car. So if you give me that car,
you can have the place
and
top up.
You can take the office. So for me, with the love that you've shown me, to go and trade in the car and get a house without your clearance or your permission or your green light, I told the guy, you have to wait until I see Mkoma and explain. Here's the draft agreement. Mm-hmm. Here's the difference that he wants.
Something.
That meant a lot. He wants immovable property. And I said, Jah, it's okay. But proposal, go for it. Status here, we have to quit. And Shtoroma picture Kawanda. After 2-3 months. Good morning, guys. Because she fake it until you make it. After 6 months, chilling at home. Because Marenta was there. And sooner or later, just it's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So then, about the time it's okay. Then I just thought, look, why can't I just buy me a brand new Range Rover? the guy came, and look at the transaction as it is. Look at the value. He probably got a value of 250,000 for it. Because this guy was saying, I'm going to pay 120 nemote. Go and check Smoko. This guy has got 3,000 on the clock. Apaenda kuzimuka kanza moto enter 282,000 apaenda naita 180 kwavi saka kana pita moto muno afford yanza ando afford